Oh, the apple. Okay, one more apple. Let's ringo! Who are you again? I'm a ghost. Hi, a ghost. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. My full moral support. Free moral support? I'll take it. Oh, is this my desk? Well. Look who showed up for work. No worms for you. You know what they say? The early bird gets the worm. The late bird gets 5 minutes more sleep. Cutscene, there we go. You. Kiara? Wow. Wow, is that you? Crows never do what they're told. I mean, I am a bird. I am trying to save lives here. Don't you understand? Death cannot see those who have masked their life force with an urn. I can fool the Grim Reaper himself. Now, it's not about the urn, but you gotta earn the right to survive. Get it? Oh, that's a tree I didn't get, was it? Seems like. Ordina. Oh, wait. Old Ina? Is this my town?
She's throwing the stick off. You're gonna miss it, Kiara.
You're missing this content.
Okay, wait, I'm coming.
I'm gonna do it.
She's gonna do it. She's gonna be the last one to touch it.
I'm the last person to touch this stick.
Unless you guys find it. There it goes.
Wow.
How do you feel after this emotional moment?
Wait, I don't think I was the last one I threw it. I think I touched the bee. The bee's down there.
Oh
Wow, you threw it right on the bee.
It's all the bees that spawned from the one block but didn't know where to go.
Oh, so they just went to hell instead.
Yeah.
Okay.
They went to hell.
Wow, they went to bee hell.
There,
But they beeline for it.
Make a beeline.
Okay, I'm gonna enchant something now.
Wait, Ina, did you see my reply to what you sent me earlier?
I think so?
Sent me a big fish building, and I said,
Oh, I saw that.
Oh, infrastructure.
How can y'all be so clever and witty?